Welcome back. If you want more quick Twilio tutorials, make sure to like and subscribe. Today, I'll show you how to use Twilio phone numbers for both messaging and voice calls. Start by signing into your Twilio console and navigating to the phone numbers section. Select by a number. You can filter by country, capabilities like voice or SMS, and even choose toll-free or local numbers. You can also search by area code if you want a number local to a specific region. Once you find the right match for your use case, click buy and the number will instantly be added to your account. Now, let's configure incoming messages. Open the number settings and go to messaging. Under a message comes in, choose a Twilio function or enter a webhook URL where messages should be sent. This ensures any incoming text is handled automatically by your application or workflow. Next, let's configure voice calls. Switch to the voice settings. Under a call comes in, apply the same logic by selecting a webhook or a Twilio function to determine what happens when someone calls your number. You can forward calls, play an automated greeting, or start a studio flow, completely based on your business needs. And that's it. You've now purchased a Twilio number, set up SMS handling, and configured voice call behavior, all essential steps for building a professional communication system. If this helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more Twilio videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.